Instead of being on the wall, now what we're going to do is bring your hips on the wall, feet off the wall, getting that whole foot away from the wall. What you want to do now is tilt your upper body, hinge your upper body away from the wall, and hold that straight position. Okay? And that's your position with your back. Now bring the water bottles pointing forward, and bring the water bottles out to your side. It's called a reverse fly. Water bottle out to your side, coming up, head up the whole time. And here you want to do now is you want to pinch back here. Okay? If this exercise, bring your hands, your wrists to the wall here, was more maybe lower mid, this one directly up here, make you want to come up and pinch, hold, come back down. So again on the wall, 3 of 3, 3 shoulder exercise, feet off the wall, hips on the wall, hands forward, water bottles come up, they come up right parallel with your head, hold for a second, then come back down. All right.